Good morning, dear kids. Now, today we will do the book exercise of chapter 3 common names and special names. We have already done this exercise till C, right? So, today we will start with exercise D. Underline the special names in these sentences. Circle the common names. Okay? Now, what we have to do in this? We have to underline the special names and circle the common names. Okay? Now read the first one sentence. We do not go to school on Sunday. Yes. Now as we already discussed that when we talk about some name in general, जब हम किसी का generally बात करते हैं, like in this sentence, school is a common name because school may be any. School तो कोई भी हो सकता है. If there is a name of the particular school, then it will be a special name, but now it's a common name. Sunday, as we all know, the days of the week are special names, so Sunday is a special name. Now come to second one sentence. Prakash has a pet dog called Brownie. Now in this sentence, Prakash is a name of some person, so it's a special name. Pet dog, dog may be any, then it's a common name. And Brownie, Brownie is a name of a particular dog, so it's a special name. Okay, now come to third one sentence. It usually rains in the month of July. In this sentence, month, mahina, month may be any. तो month, the word month is common noun क्योंकि month तो कोई भी हो सकता है, right? But July, July is the name of a particular month. It's a special name, so we have to underline the word July. We celebrate Christmas in the month of December. In this sentence, Christmas, Christmas is a name of a particular festival, special name, right? So we have to underline the word Christmas. Month, again month is there, it's a common name क्योंकि month may be any. And December, again a name of a particular month, it's a special name, so we have to underline this word. My neighbor is very friendly. His name is Rahim. My neighbor, neighbor means पड़ोसी, पड़ोसी तो कोई भी हो सकता है, तो it's a common name. And the next one word is Rahim. Rahim is the name of a particular person, so it is a special name, so we have to underline this word. We fly the national flag on Independence Day. हम क्या करते हैं? Fly यानी फहराते हैं किसे? नेशनल फ्लैग को. तो नेशनल फ्लैग तो किसी भी कंट्री का हो सकता है, तो इट्स अ कॉमन नेम, तो वी हैव टू सर्कल दिस वर्ड. एंड इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर डे, स्पेशल डे, तो वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन इंडिपेंडेंस डे. वी वेंट टू गोवा ऑन अ हॉलीडे. इन दिस सेंटेंस गोवा, गोवा इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, तो वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन गोवा बिकॉज इट्स अ स्पेशल नेम. And holiday, holiday तो may be any. Sunday is a holiday, some festival days are also the holidays, so we have to circle this word. Sania is a tennis player. Sania is a famous player, tennis player. Sania is a famous tennis player. It's a name of a particular person, so we have to underline the word Sania. Is a tennis player. Tennis player may be any, कोई भी हो सकता है. तो if we talk about the word tennis player, it's a common noun. We will go to the park on Friday. In this sentence, the word park is there. Park is a name of a place, right? But park may be any. There is no particular name of the park. So it's a common noun. Again, it's a days of the name of the days, right? So it's a special name. Ashoka was a great king. Now in this sentence, Ashoka, a name of a particular person, a name of a particular king. So it's a special name. Was a great king. King may be any, राजा तो कोई भी हो सकता है, तो king is a common noun, right? Name the following. Like first question, a day of the week. You have to write any day of the week. You can write Sunday also, you can write Monday also, or any day, whatever. It's your choice. Now a month. Now you can write the name of any month like January, July, October, December. An important festival, you can write the name of any festival like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, any festival name you can write. Your best friend. Now here you have to write the name of your best friend. आपको अपने best friend का नाम लिखना है. Your class teacher. Write the name of your class teacher. आपको यहाँ अपनी क्लास टीचर का नाम लिखना है. A city, write the name of any city. Like you can write Meerut also, you can write Dehradun also, you can write Kanpur also. It's your choice. A river, you can write the name of any river. Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Brahmaputra. So many rivers are there. A superhero. Now here you can write the name of a superhero. You can write the name of a superhero of your choice. It may be Ben 10, it may be Batman, it may be Shaktiman also, right? These all are the special names. ये सभी क्या हैं? Special names हैं. We now come to next one exercise. Help Rob find the common names and special names and put them in the right basket. Write C or S on the words. Now what we have to do? We have to help the Rob. हमें Rob की help करनी है find out करने में common names और special names को. And इस bucket में वो common names रखेगा और इस bucket में वो क्या रखेगा? Special names. तो what we have to do? We have to write the. Now come to first one word. Sheila. Sheila is the name of a particular person. So we will write S over there. Now come to next one word. Bread. Bread is a common noun because there are no particular name of a bread. Next one, toothpaste. Toothpaste is a common noun because there is a no name of toothpaste over there. यहाँ अगर होता Colgate या होता Pepsodent तो this is the special name. Next one is July. Yes, July is the name of a particular month. So it's a special name. We have to write S over there. Now the next one word is book. Book तो may be any, कोई भी हो सकती है. So we have to write C over there. Next is India. India is our country. So it's a special C. Painting. Painting may be any. So it is also a common noun. C. Alex. Alex is a name of a particular person. So we have to write S over there. And the last one word is pencil. Again pencil is a common noun because there is no name of pencil over there. Right? So like this you have to complete your exercise and send me the work on your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.